My top 8 things that money cannot buy.
Right now, it's showtime.
The first one is purpose. There are a lot of people that may be affluent or wealthy, they don't feel like they have a purpose. So there's nothing more superfluous than just feeling like you don't have purpose. You need purpose and meaning in your life. That's number one. Number two, wealth and affluence doesn't buy friendship. You might have fake friends, but real, genuine friendships are forged not with money. They're forged through people delivering promises to each other. Number three, money can buy pleasure, but I don't think it can buy happiness. Money cannot buy happiness because you can have pleasurable things, like you could sit in a massage chair or get a massage, but that doesn't mean you're happy and fulfilled. Number four, money doesn't buy trust. Money doesn't buy the ability for you to trust your spouse or your loved ones or people around you. It just doesn't. That's evident by some of our government issues that you've seen in the media. Number five, money does not buy loyalty. Loyalty is earned. It doesn't. You can't give people money and say, "Can you please be loyal to me?" Or being loyal back to them. I'd rather make sure that I don't ever burn somebody else, and I want to make sure that I'm very loyal to them. If there's something on their end that falls short, I feel like I did everything I could. So money doesn't buy loyalty, so I'd like to be loyal to people. Number six, money does not buy time. Time is going to go, it's going to tick. Money won't buy time. So in other words, people that you love, that you want to spend time with, if it's near the end of their life, nothing's going to extend that besides having good medical services. But spending time with the people that you love, there's nothing more priceless than that. You can't buy that. Number seven, money cannot buy forgiveness and sorrow. So you can't make someone forgive you with money. If you do somebody wrong, then you have done them wrong. There's no amount of money that can replace that. My last one, which is number 8, money cannot buy street smarts. I can tell you that. So in other words, you have to go through a lot of stuff in order to understand how things work. So you may have money, but money and affluence might actually detach you from the real process, what really goes on. So street smarts cannot be bought. They're my top 8 things that money cannot buy.